Namaskar students. As in our previous class, we discussed about cube and cube roots, that how to find cubes and its cube roots by various method, that is ones and tens method, or by successive subtraction method and the prime factorization method. Now in this class we learn how to estimating the square root and cube roots here. Estimating square roots and cube roots here. For this purpose, we have to use one table which is already given in your book like this, in which numbers x, cube square root of x, cube root of x and cube root of 10x. These four types of columns are given here, and also we send this to you in your WhatsApp number in PDF form, so you have to use from that. Now, by the use of this table, how to find the square root method? See here, the question is, we have to estimate the square root, of the following numbers, by and correct up to 2 decimal places here. For this, the first question A is 27. A is equal to 27. We have to find the square root or estimate the square root. So this number in square root of 27, we have to assume this value is our x. The value of x is 27 here. From 27, now we have to use the method or table, the number against 27, the number against 27 under the column. Root 27 is root 27. We have to check from this table. See here, in actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to so on 100. It is given here. We have to find the square root of 27. For this, we have to check this one into second column, root of x here. At somewhere we found the value of 27. In front of that, in this table, check what is the value of root x. That root value of 27 is 5.196. That is 5.196. So, square root of 27 is equal to 5.196. But this one value is up to 3 decimal places, and we have to correct this up to 2 decimal places here. So, check. The third place value is greater than 5, so we have to add 1 in previous number 9. So when we add 1 in 9, so it become 10 and this become 0. So square root of 27 is equal to 5.20. That's our answer. Now after that, next, it's D part. Its B part, that 15.69. 15.69. This one we have to find the square root of this value. This number, decimal number, can be expressed as whole number plus decimal number here. So in such question, when number is given in decimal form, in such cases we have to find the approximate difference between the whole number and the very next number, that is 16, by using the table here. So right here, in such cases we find the approximate difference between 15 and 16 by using the table. So square root of 15 from table, we get this value is equal to 3.873, and the square root of very next number 16 is equal to 4.000, or we can say 4 here. So the difference between 15 and 16, that is one number difference. So we have to write difference for one. Difference कैसे निकालोगे? Subtract this number from this number, that is 4.000 minus 3.873. Subtract this, we get 0.127. So after 15, the number is 0.69. So we have to find the difference for 0.69. So how to find? Now difference for 0.69 कैसे निकालना है? जैसे 1 रुपए में 2 टॉफियां होती है, 2 रुपए में कितनी होगी? 4. सिमिलरली 1 के लिए डिफरेंस कितना है? 0.127. तो 0.69 के लिए क्या करना है? मल्टीप्लाई 0.127 with 0.69. We get this one equal to 0.08763 under multiplication. Now therefore I write here, therefore the square root of 15.69, that equal to square root of 15 value 3.873 plus the value of 0.69, that is 0.08763, and then we get this one is equal to 3.960, and correct up to 2 decimal places. Our answer is 3.96. So this is our answer here. Now after that, in second question, we have to estimate the cube root of the following number correct up to 2 decimal places. So a part is here 130, and we have to find the cube root of 130. So this number can be written as cube root of 113, or this can be written as cube root of 13 into 10, or we can say 10 into 13 here. So we have to, therefore the number is this one in the form of cube root of 10 and some natural number, that is 13. So it is in the form of cube root of 10x. So from this value we have to check under this column for the number 13 here. For this, it is in the form of, it is in the form of cube root of 10x, where x is equal to 13. The number against 13 under the table or under the column cube root of 10x is, that we have to check from table, that is cube root of 10x column 13 number is given here is equal to 5.066. So the cube root of 130 is equal to 5.066, and correct up to 2 decimal places 5.07. That's our answer here. Now after that, one more question. That B part, find the cube root of 29.85. Again, this one question is of type in decimal form. So this number can be expressed as 29 plus 0.85 here. So in such cases, we have to find the approximate difference between 29 and the very next number, that is 13, from between the cube root of this and this using tables. In such cases, we find the approximate difference of cube root of 29 and 13 by using the table. So cube root of 29 and the cube root of 13, we get it from table here. The 30 cube root of 30, that is equal to 3.107, and cube root of 29, that is 3.072. As the difference between 29 and 30 is 1, so we have to find first of all difference for 1. Difference for 1, that is equal to 3.107 minus 3.072. Subtract this, 7 minus 2, 5, 10 minus 7, 0.035. So now this is the difference for 1. Now we have to find the difference for 0.85. Difference for 0.85, that is 0.035 multiplied with 0.85, the product of this number we get 0.02975. Now we have to find the cube root of. Now cube root of 29.85 is equal to, cube root of 29 is our 3.072 plus difference for 0.85, that is 0.02975. Add them, we get 3.10175 and correct up to 2 decimal places, that our answer is 3.10. This is the solution for this question here. So on basis of that, you have to complete your exercise 3.6, and if you face any problem, then ask me. Thank you and have a nice day.